Chapter 1, The Fundamental Unit of Life. Left pointing magnifying glass. Hello everyone, welcome back to English class 9. Previous year question answer. Short answer. Q1. What is osmosis? Answer: movement of water from high concentration to low concentration through a semi-permeable membrane. Example: raisins swell in water. Pushpin. Q2. Differentiate between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. Answer: feature prokaryotic, eukaryotic. Nucleus absent, present, with membrane. Organelles: no membrane bound present. Example: bacteria, plants and animals. Q3. Define plasmolysis. Answer: when a cell loses water in a hypertonic solution, the cell membrane shrinks away from the cell wall. This is called plasmolysis. Q4. What are the functions of nucleus? Answer: controls cell activities, contains genetic material, DNA, helps in cell division. Q5. What is the function of Golgi apparatus? Answer: modification, packaging, and transport of proteins and lipids. Q6. Why is mitochondria called the powerhouse of the cell? Answer: it releases energy in the form of ATP during cellular respiration. Long answer questions. Q1. Draw a neat diagram of a plant cell and label its parts. Explain any three organelles. Answer: organelles. Nucleus controls activities. Mitochondria releases energy. Chloroplast performs photosynthesis. Q2. Compare plant and animal cells. Answer: feature plant cell, animal cell. Cell wall present, absent animal cell. Vacuole large, central small or absent animal cell. Chloroplast present, absent animal cell. Shape rectangular, round, irregular animal cell. Q3. Describe the structure and function of the plasma membrane. Answer: thin, flexible membrane made of lipids and proteins, selectively permeable, allows osmosis and diffusion. Q4. What is the role of endoplasmic reticulum? Differentiate between RER and SIR. Answer: type, surface function. RER with ribosomes, protein synthesis. SIR without ribosomes, lipid synthesis and detox. Q5. What are cell organelles? Describe the functions of mitochondria, Golgi body, and lysosomes. Answer: mitochondria, energy production. Golgi apparatus, packaging. Lysosome, digestion and cell cleanup. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and comment. And for class 9 students,